belong. We had the shortest time. You had to go